Mabuhay, Kamustika, welcome. How are you? This is Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. Thank you. Treacherously making my way here, looking at this food. We're going to buy some food to take home. So we got an assortment of food. I got this chicken here. I had Aiza get me a couple of these chickens to barbecue. And I think she pretty much took something of everything. I don't even know what it is. But it smells good over here. I think most of this is our food. And they're just grilling it, and when they're done, we're going to take it home. Can you smell that? This is across from the carnival where I took some videos. Very, very colorful site here. And we were at this carnival a few days ago, and I took some video from that. Our Filipino family is out here with us, and not a bad night for traffic. A lot of cooking going on here. Smells good. Yes, Aiza drove here, and she's going to drive through all this maze of traffic. She's been driving for a couple days and doing a really good job of it. So we're just waiting for our food. Then we're going to go to the house and eat it. There's Aiza right there. I think other people might be waiting too. They got all kinds of good stuff. Really hungry for meat. So one of the things I haven't found much out here is really good quality meat. And I don't know if these people are here selling this every day or not, but it almost wouldn't surprise me. It's pretty much the same everywhere. We can see what's over here. We got tables for people that want to eat right there. We're going to take it home though, and it should still be plenty hot. Look at the traffic out here tonight. This is Saturday night. I'm amazed Aiza can drive in this. She really can, man. She drives like a seasoned veteran here. Very proud of her for that. There she is. So our food's on there somewhere. So next time, this is Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. Let's see if Aiza can get us through this traffic.
Yeah.
Yes, this is our driver. Aiza again.
Yeah, it's me again.
She's getting very good at this. I think we'll hire her full time.
Yeah, you guys can hire me for a driver, personal driver.
What are your going rates?
You guys will come here in the Philippines. If you need a driver, come get me. Hire me.
What do you charge?
I'll charge, since I have an international driver's license, I'll charge them, it could be 500 per day.
500?
See, that's...
Only $10 a day to drive around?
Yes, that's fine.
I think you ought to charge more than that.
Well, that will be my gift.
The degree of difficulty is pretty high here.
The next time that they're gonna hire me, it's gonna be double the price.
Okay.
So from 500, it goes up to 1,000.
Well, for a foreigner, the thought of driving like this is not very pleasant, so we would really value somebody that can do it.
I made it, hun.
That was nothing for you. Always have to be aware though of surprises. Good job.
There's